Welcome to this video on the difference between AC and DC power. We'll explore how these two types of electrical power work and how to tell them apart. To start, let's address the first point of confusion. AC and DC can refer to either voltage, the push, or current, the flow. So AC or DC can mean alternating or direct current or voltage. DC, or direct current, is a flow of electrical charge that moves only in one direction. You can see this in the simple circuit powered by a battery. When graphed over time, DC power is represented by a constant and steady straight line, showing that the voltage remains stable. You can find DC power in batteries, solar panels, and USB cables. The symbol for DC power is a straight line with a dashed line underneath. AC, or alternating current, is an electric current that periodically reverses direction. Household wall outlets typically provide AC power. The shape of AC power, when plotted over time, is a sine wave. This waveform illustrates the periodic change and reversal of the voltage. Frequency, measured in Hertz, refers to the number of cycles per second the AC current completes. Common frequencies are 50 Hz or 60 Hz. AC power is used for long-distance transmission and can be found in power lines, generators, and standard wall outlets. The symbol is a tilde or sine wave. AC to DC adapters act as a bridge, converting the AC power from your wall outlet into the DC power required by most electronic devices. To differentiate between AC and DC on electrical labels, look for the input and output sections. The symbols for AC and DC will indicate the type of current. When using a multimeter, you can distinguish between the two by selecting the correct voltage setting. The V with a tilde is for AC, and the V with straight and dashed lines is for DC. A polarity trick with the multimeter is that DC, like from a battery, cares about polarity, resulting in a negative voltage reading if reversed. AC does not. An easy trick to remember is that AC stands for alternating, meaning it changes direction. DC stands for direct, meaning it flows in one direction only.